What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And for once, got some nice weather. As you guys know, spring came a couple days ago, but as soon as that happened, man, we had rain, snow. There was 2 days I didn't drive my truck because I literally washed it Monday. It's rained Tuesday, snowed Wednesday, and I finally drove it Thursday, and today is Friday. So it was snowing, so I wasn't gonna work on my truck, wasn't gonna do anything in my truck, so that's why there wasn't any videos posted. The weather is honestly getting better now, and I got so many videos on deck, it's crazy, because this build is gonna start, and it's gonna get wild. Today what we're doing is a mod I did to my 5.9, I'm gonna do to my 6.7. It's a mod I feel like everyone should / could / needs to do if you own a Cummins truck. I'm gonna pull this truck around back and let's get into it. I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna explain what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Brought my tools home, just got home from work, so don't judge the dirty hands. I'm pretty sure someone already did. Same with the face. I got dirt all over me, so I'm sure someone already did, but yes, home from work, I wasn't gonna shower and then work on my truck again because that'd be stupid. Pull this around back and we are going to take a look under the hood and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and tell you why. And here she is. So the thing we're gonna be removing today is the intake muffler, intake silencer, intake piece of plastic junk wrapped in foam that is kind of restricting airflow. The Ram Active Air is actually a very good intake depending on throttle position. Sucks in more or less air. This itself is a very good air intake, but it will then suck it in to here. And right here, past this open intake here, is a giant muffler pretty much. If you can see, this resembles sort of an exhaust pipe, how it's a standard size down to a big canister, and in here, instead of being a straight shot through, from the center out is wrapped in foam. So it's not only muffling sound, it's not sucking air straight through. You know, you're getting it in there and it's getting jammed in there before it goes through. Restricting airflow on any type of car, or diesel for that matter, is not good. You want the cleanest shot from the airbox to your turbo as possible. And the intake muffler is doing nothing but hindering that. So we're gonna take it out. I know there's gonna be people in the comments who'll be like, this is for, you know, this, that, and the other, directs air straight into the veins of your turbo, this, that, and the other. Let's be real here. It's a piece of plastic. The tube itself is coming from the airbox, is directed straight into my turbo. Plastic and foam in there is not going to do anything. You buy any aftermarket air intake, it's a straight pipe as well. Just like you remove the muffler off your exhaust to reduce back pressure and make it more free flowing, that's what we're doing with the air intake here. I did this on my 5.9, and I'm about to do it on my 6.7. It is very, very similar. What we're going to do is you got to remove this clamp, and down here, here's the other clamp. You're going to take that off with a socket, and this will pop off. I have a 3/8 drive ratchet and an 8mm socket. So 8mm up here. Top one's loose. I'm gonna get down here and get the bottom. You just gotta loosen it enough to slide it off. You don't have to take the whole thing off. And there we have it. This is off. So the part I'm actually talking about is this right here. As you can see, it's this giant plastic apparatus inside your intake. Look at the size of this intake tube, and look at how it restricts it down to that. So not only is it taking it from, this looks like a 4 or 5 inch pipe, and it's breaking it down to probably 3 inches. It's restricting your airflow. Take your hand and just pull it out. As you can see, it's very tight in there because they jam it. in there. So look at this. we've got this giant thing. So the outside of this foam is the size of your intake, clearly, because it fits in there. This is the size of your intake. You're bringing the intake tube size down to this. So you're restricting your airflow majorly. Not only that, the same concept as a muffler. So that turbo sound we all know and love, it's a little muffled. If you look down there, there is the turbocharger itself. When putting it back in, remember that if you are going to do this to your truck, there's tabs here and there's tabs here. Make sure they line up on each respectable side. And simple as that, there we go. Our turbo / intake muffler sound detonator / air director / whirly ball scoop / I don't even know. This looks like something different. She's gonna breathe a lot better. Hopefully there'll be a little more whistle. All right, let's start it up and see if there's any difference in the 6.7 sound-wise. To be honest, can't hear anything yet. We'll get on the road and we'll road test it. She's breathing better, so that's what counts. Sound is a extra. Ooh. Let me get her out some open road. No kidding. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting that. I couldn't even hear my turbo before. I mean, barely. You can hear it. You can definitely hear it now. There's no doubt that definitely did waken up the sound of the turbo. Obviously, if you take the ring off, sorry if you hear a bunch of bumping and grinding, I'm going over a bumpy road. But if you took the ring off the, I forget what it's called on the 6.7s. It's like a airflow something. It's actually used for something. On the 5.9s, there's a clip holding it in there, and it's literally called a silencing ring. But on these new ones, it's actually something. Don't know off the top of my head, but I'm gonna turn the exhaust brake on too. Oh my goodness. Oh, turbo all day. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you can't really hear it during the exhaust brake. And obviously I'm not deleted yet, so you won't hear the scream of it. Or I didn't think it would do anything in the 6.7 because of all the restrictions they make to make this thing quiet as possible. I don't think you'd be able to hear it, but Turbo Muffler is no more. So with spring coming, I got a lot of videos and stuff coming out. A lot of you are asking right now. Yes, that's 20% on the back and 5% on the sides. Why, you ask? Because I like to see out my back window. But I got a lot of videos coming out. Build list is like being filmed this weekend. Once you see the list of what's going to be going on with this truck, you guys are going to flip. I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, get down there, click subscribe. What are you doing? Join the build. This truck's going to be naughty when it's done. So join the build, get down there, subscribe. Got a lot of videos coming for you guys. And yeah, shoot me a like if you enjoyed this video, found this helpful. In the comments below, let me know if you've ever done this to your truck, / you want to do this to your truck, / you're interested in finding small mods like this for your car or vehicle, because free mods are the best mods. Oh, that sounds so much better. But like I said, I'm gonna close this video out with a few shifting clips for you guys. Thank you guys all for your support. I said take care. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. This build is about to get wild. Subscribe if you haven't been here before. Take care and have a good day.